In this guide, I'll show you how to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger at once. From the home page, open the Messenger app on your device. You will notice that selecting a chat does not allow you to delete all chats at once. To enable this option, follow these steps. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. On the top right side, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it. Scroll down until you find the Report Technical Problem option. Click on it. A screenshot of your settings will be taken automatically. You can delete this screenshot by clicking on the cross X icon. In the message field, type, "Hello Facebook Messenger team. I want to delete all my conversations, including all messages. Help me to delete all at once." Waiting for your response. Then click on the Send option at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for the response from Facebook Messenger team regarding your request. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.